Hello everybody, this is Matador from freetradingvideos.com. It's 4:20 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on May 25th. Looking at the S&P 500 ETF, which gapped down this morning. Pre-market, pretty good sized run down post-market. And you can see that we hovered around 107 before gapping down significantly to the 105 area. Chopped around there, just looking at a little 15-minute chart here, and worked our way out to do almost a complete gap fill this morning. We talked about that around noon Eastern Standard Time, and then it made an outrageous pullback into an area of support and ran higher right into the close. That's an amazing move toward the end of the day there. So when I'm looking at this on a 3-minute chart, you can see what we're looking at. So great area of resistance here, right? Drop a line. It's a little bit scrunched up. No big deal. We can kind of spread that out a little bit. Take a look at this resistance. Once broken, becomes support, and we headed higher all day long. The trend was something that we could have watched, and as we were seeing this bounce around in the 1.0 range, just mainly neutral. Even around noon, we were talking about looking for consolidation, which we did get for a while, but when it broke the 1.0 level, it really did head south very, very nicely to confirm that strength. The trend Q also bled out beautifully below the 1.2 mark, the beginning of the bearish zone, right into the neutral range, and then even below 0.8 for a couple of dips. And the VIX, best news of all, confirmed the bullish side as we filled this gap here almost to the penny. We've been watching that very carefully right through here. Bounced around just for a little bit and broke through the 200 MA and headed south. So on a 15-minute chart, we also smashed through their 200 MA as well and did a complete gap fill of even this back here. So now we're below all these levels of support, aka resistance on the price and volume. So we're through a couple of really notable areas of resistance now on the way up, and that bodes well. So on a daily chart, let's zoom out real quick here. Still have not formally gotten back up to this level through here. So didn't even quite, just barely filled that gap, but that's a very, very nice notable move up. Pretty good volume as well, probably the fourth or fifth highest volume day we've seen in a little while. So we'll take note of that and see if we can get a bounce that actually does show some kind of swing low here that we're putting in at this support level back here. So not too bad. I wouldn't have held too much weight on this. Just a nice little technical bounce we've got going on, as people are nervous about selling short into that kind of support. Not tons of people wanting to buy long into it, but the volatility index at least bleeding out, giving some confirmation. So that's technically what I'm seeing. Not too bad. And like I said, we'll see what we can work on tomorrow. When I'm looking back at the broad markets here, let's go intraday. Again, 15-minute chart. Resistance at 108. That's an excellent one. Also, 108.50 area. This area where it bounced right before it bled out. Right through here will be a good area of resistance. A little bit of a swing high at 109, and then the swing high through here. So these are the areas of resistance I'll be watching on the way back up, especially this guy here. So if we do get that, fantastic. If not, we're looking for a lower swing high now, and see if we can work our way out of that. So good stuff. It's been nice working with everybody today, and I hope you have a great rest of the evening, and use this information to pick your relative strength and weakness stocks based on what happened intraday, and then also what you see on a daily chart through here. Really, really good. So a little bit easier to pick and choose those when you have this as a backdrop. So talk to you soon, everybody.